Let's solve number 3, homework exercise number 3 from section 11.5. A city council consists, for my problem, 5 Democrats and 8 Republicans. If a committee of 6 people selected, find the probability of selecting 4 Democrats and 2 Republicans. Okay, now, in the numerator, we've got to find a number of ways of getting 4 Democrats and 2 Republicans. Okay, now, to get the Democrats, and then what we're going to have to do is, once we get, well, let's first find a number of ways to get Democrats. 4 Democrats from a total of 5, right? And again, order doesn't matter. They're serving on the same committee, right? So it doesn't matter whether they're picked first, second, third, or fourth. So it's going to be a combination. We got a total of 5, and we're going to pick 4 for the Democrats. For the Republicans, again, order doesn't matter, a combination. We've got a total of 8, and we're going to select 2, 8C2. Now, we're going to do 5C4 to get the exact number of ways to get the Democrats, 8C2 number of ways to get the Republicans. Then we're going to multiply those two together to get the number of ways to get committees of 4 Democrats and 2 Republicans. So that's the entire numerator. The denominator is all the different combinations, putting all together. So it's a total of 5 and 8 for my problem. 5 plus 8 is 13 altogether, and we're selecting a total of 6. So in the denominator is 13C6. Okay, so now what we're going to do is 5C4. Okay, we can go ahead and do that. That's pretty easy. 5C4 is, this equals 5 factorial, and then 5 minus 4 is 1 factorial, and then times 4 factorial. So then this is just going to be 5 times 4 factorial. 4 factorials will cancel, so you'll just end up with the 5 over 1, which is 5. Okay, and then the 8C2 will be 8 factorial over 8 minus 2 is 6 factorial times 2 times 1. 8 factorials, 8 times 7 times 6 factorials cancel. And then 8 times 7 is 56, divided by 2 is 28. So the numerator is going to be what? 5 times 28, okay? Denominator 13C6, a little bit more, it's more computation, so we can just do that on our calculator. So we'll go ahead and do 13 math combination 6 is 1,716. So now if you remember, the numerators were what? 5C4 for Democrats times the Republicans, 8C2 over a total over all the different selections, 13 altogether, and we're selecting 6. This 5C4 was 5. 8C2 we did was 28, and this is 1,716. So now we're going to do 5 times 28, divide by 1716. This makes sure we have it in reduced form. So we have 5 times 28 divided by 1,716, and then we'll go math, and then enter twice, and it does reduce again. So go ahead and with your numbers, your problem may reduce also. 35 over 429, and that is indeed the correct answer. All right, very good. Let's look at homework exercise number 4. If you are dealt 4 cards from a shuffled deck of 52 cards, find the probability that all 4 cards are picture cards. So again, the number of ways to get the picture cards over the total number of all combinations. Again, 4 cards, order doesn't matter. We're just getting them, we just want all picture cards, so it doesn't matter order, so combination. Now picture cards are jacks, queens, and kings, right? And there's 4 of each, right? 4 of each suit. So there's a total of 12 picture cards, and we want all 4 to be picture cards. So the number of ways to get 4 picture cards from a total of 12 is 12C4. Now the probability is all in the denominator is all the different possible outcomes. Again, order doesn't matter, a combination, all possible. We're using 52 cards from the entire deck, and we're again selecting 4. So the answer is going to be 12C4 divided by 52C4. 12C4 from the 12 picture cards, 52C4 from the 52 cards in the entire deck to give us all possible combinations. Okay, so we can do both of those on the calculator to get the actual values, the numbers of each. So we'll do 12 math over to combinations. 12C4 gives us 495 for the numerator. 52 math, and then over 3 to probability combinations. Selecting 4, 52C4 is 270,725. Well, they're both divisible by 5, right? So we know it's going to reduce. Let's use the calculator to do it. 495 divided by 270,725, and we get the decimal. Math, hit enter twice. Didn't pick it up. Let's see if I can just do, it's too small. 495 divided by 270,725. Just hit fraction right away. Now put it in a decimal. So we got to do it by hand. So 270,725 divided by 5 is that number. 495 divided by 5 is that number. All right, so now let's see if we can put it in and see if it'll recognize it. 99, well, 99 divided by 541, 45, math, fraction. Nah, still didn't do it. Let's see if, let's just go ahead and put it in, and then if it reduces, if it's not the right answer, we'll have to reduce it more. 95 over 541, 45. All right, and so actually that is in reduced form. Okay, so there's our correct answer. So you'll just have to play around with it, use your calculator to divide to get it into reduced form. Okay, that concludes all the homework problems from section 11.5. I hope you found these videos helpful. If you need help, if you need more help on any of these problems, send me an email in the inbox through the Canvas course in the FGCU portal. Thank you for listening to my videos. Work hard on the homework problems. Again, if you need help, send me an email through the Canvas course. All right, keep up the good work.